If you're a long distance property owner, an absentee owner, and you own property in or around Charlottesville, you might have the question, hey, is this right now a good time to sell? What is the market like right now around Charlottesville? Our current market still has very low inventories, which has created a historically high valuations on properties. Just as an example, I have two separate clients right now, and I've had them for a few months now, and we have a great relationship. I have one local client here just north of town, and they're looking probably up to about $800,000. Now there's some specifics they're looking for, but in a normal marketplace, I would be having 3, 4, 5 homes to email to them. We're checking them out. We know we've narrowed it down to, hey, we've got these specifics that meet most all of your parameters, and we'd be going out looking at 3, 4, 5 properties over a weekend. Well, we've been searching for more than 6 months now, and on the property searches, one will pop on the market now and then. That just shows that inventories, no matter what price range you're in. I've got a second clients that live up in Fairfax. Now, I've been seriously looking for them for about 3 to 4 months, but it's a similar thing. They're looking up to about $700,000, and they do have some specifics as far as their needs are concerned. But wow, finding a good listing to send them, and I do not have 5 to send them to say, come on down for Thursday or Friday and we'll look at 5 homes. Nope. If you can get one and you look at it the first or second day on the market, yay. So that is probably the biggest sign of our low inventory market right now. If you're a long distance property owner, an absentee owner, and you own property in or around Charlottesville, your life situation may have changed. Your financial goals may have changed. There may have been something major that has changed as far as finances. And often you're just seeking out, what are my options right now at this new stage in life? If your life situation has changed and put you in a position of needing more available cash, I can actually perform for you an accurate home valuation report. Accurate meaning it's not an online estimate. I mean, I understand Zestimates, but they're not a boots on the ground looking at local comparable sales with the accuracy of knowing condition of property and everything else that you need to know to determine true market value in today's market, in this market right here. Mortgage payoffs and all customary closing costs will be included as a net proceeds sheet on this report so that you can look at a real accurate ballpark of, if you chose to sell, what would you be looking at? So it helps you really make a life decision, look at options, and move one way or the other. Do you have issues with tenants? Do you have current repair needs? I can be a boots on the ground advocate for you if you choose to move forward towards selling. I can open up good communication line with the tenants and work with them throughout the process. And the goal is both for the tenants and especially you to create a smooth transition for everybody. If you need local contractors to get your home in top selling condition, I can help out with that. I can get you our approved vendors list, or even vendors that I know personally, to help get you the right people in the house to do the stuff that needs to be taken care of. And I can even coordinate getting vendors there for you, because if you're long distance, again, that's a difficult thing to coordinate quite often. All in all, the market around Charlottesville is still incredible if you're a seller. A great time to cash out if your financial situation has said you need to look at that option. And happy to help with tenants or contractors or whatever you may need. My name is Maury, and I have helped seller clients get top dollar for their properties in Charlottesville and all 7 surrounding counties since 1990. Hey, let's chat and get you on a good path right away.